Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? So I am going to invest in Chainlink, especially in those days, in these days, my brother. You know why I am going to invest now? Because there is a lot of chances, my friend, and one reason, especially, my friend, to the price is increasing now. I tell you, my brother. So let's see, my brother. Absolutely, you also understand better now. So you need to just and only watch this video completely now, my brother. If I tell you, my brothers, to I am going to invest, so please be remember, I will tell you seriously now, my brother. This time the Chainlink price is, my brother, 18.38 USD dollars. So I think the price is very cheap now. But if you could see, my brother, this time the last 3 months, before last 3 months, the price is 52.5 USD dollar. So my friend, if they fails down like this speed, my friend, I think they lost, my friend, to 30 USD dollar to 30 plus USD dollar, my friend. They lost just in only and through 3 months, my friend. Especially you can see here, this time you can see here they profit, but my friend, especially from last 2 months, they will lost, my friends, 30 USD dollar. So my brother, if in 1 month they will lost, my friends, 30 USD dollar, so suggest, my friend, if they will lost 1 USD dollar just in only and per day, so my friend, they cannot give you a profit. So kindly holder, be honestly, please, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think Chainlink is one of the good option with you, my brother, and especially in those days. So go now, invest, and take a very good profit now. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.